Welcome travelers, and welcome back to Matt's Moments. In this video, I'm going to give you a roomette tour on the Superliner Amtrak train. It is Amtrak's version of luxury and upper class. Welcome ladies and gentlemen on a Superliner Amtrak train car. This is your roomette room tour. Starting over my right shoulder, you have your dials for your air conditioning, a plug, and I recommend some kind of like extra plugs in case you have you and another person, you're doing multiple devices. Get a night light. Not sure what that button is. Well, it just moves it around. They give you a great pillow, bottled water, and then now moving around the room to my left, you have this secret closet because I didn't know it was here at first. You can hang a couple things up, and then at the top they have the towels. Looks like a regular towel and then a hand towel. Down below to my left, you have a trash can, and also box of Kleenexes in case you have a sneezing attack like I normally do. Let's close that up. Moving right along, the air vent, you can close it, open it. Up here's a light for the upper bunk, but we'll get into more of that later. Make sure your curtain is closed. There's Velcro, there's a lock, and this lock usually is held by this. Make it go snug all the way down. This is your window, snug all the way down on your Velcro. Continuing right along, here's your bunk bed track. You can do it, or they will do it later on. There's a handle right here. Moving into the other seat, right here the steps up to the bunk bed, and then there's a little cubby hole that's kind of hidden. Mirror, pretty yourself up. There are a couple coat hooks back behind where I just came from. Right here we got the lights, blue lighting for night light, way up top above my shoulder. And if you need to call the attendant, yellow button. If you want to turn down the volume of the announcements because it's super loud, this one right here, and it did work. Got you another reading light, because these seats can stay upright when the bunk is down, as long as you're not tall like Yao Ming or Shaquille O'Neal. Moving right along, you get more waters. Now let's check out this tray table. Comes out. Ooh, if you're too tall, your legs like mine, will hold it up. Folds out. You have this unique checker chessboard, and if you brought pieces, you can have fun with it. Safety card, and then your menu. And if you look to sleep during the day, the curtains close and latch with Velcro. And we'll fold this up. Those waterfalls can be clunky, and last but not least, in between your legs is enough storage maybe for a backpack or a small carry-on suitcase, and the bars down here to make the lower bed, but we'll get into that later on. Let's check out the shower, what is offered on a sleeper car. First thing to know, it's on the bottom level of the Superliner. Make sure to lock it, otherwise unwanted visitors. Conditioner, shampoo, towels. Here is your shower. So, when you put the bed down, pull that handle, hold it until it gets to the very bottom notch. Pull till you hear click. I'm sitting on a little perch. It's the second step, but up here is the mattress pad for the bed below, another pillow, 2 blankets, one for each bed, and then extra netting for your valuables and whatever else you want to hang on to up here. You must put these hooks in, 2 hooks, one over here, one on the other side of the fan. And hope to God that this doesn't let you fall out. But that's how you put the bunk down. And that is your roomette tour on a Superliner Amtrak train.